Look who's here. Yes. This is my friend, Ayub.
This is Hobbs.
So
nice to meet you.
nice to meet you. So my friend Ayub, we used to go to
This is Olive's
college, university back home.
University.
Yeah, so I know him since 2007.
2006.
Oh yeah? No.
2006 we started.
Oh yeah? I forgot already. Yeah.
2006, yeah.
Yeah. So, and he finally came to the US and finally came to see him here. Now we met. Look. Gonna be ready. There we go. Oh.
Easy peasy. Lemon squeeze. 2006.
2006. Okay, let's go get the food. Mr. Ayub, the chef for tonight.
We're gonna catch some animals. We're gonna catch
So,
the condos.
Turmeric, parsley, cilantro or parsley? Parsley, and that's lemon.
Cilantro is coming on.
And chicken thighs, onions. Can't wait for this to finish and eat it. What happened? Okay, so much food here. There we are. And Agua Caliente State Park. This is some Moroccan meatballs. So we are cooking them. Now you can't see anything because it's dark. Already ate the corn. Just waiting for the tajine. And that's all. Our best chef. For the night in the deserts. Agua Caliente Park.
Agua pumpkin.
So what was this?
Squash tajine.
Tajine. Moroccan tajine. Look,
Squash.
this chicken with spices.
Give me like this.
And it's gonna go all the way to the fire. And now we are ready to wait for the tajine. This is what we call tajine. Moroccan tajine. If you see inside, there we go. Looks delicious.
Looks like a tajine.
Looks like a tajine. Morning, everyone. Good morning. Look. My friend is so sleepy. on my tent. It's too hot. It's too hot. It's 7:34. Okay, let's see. Serene. Okay. So this campground, the name of this campground is Agua Caliente County Park, San Diego. So it's in Anza Springs Desert, not that far from it. And like you see, now it's on after 1 hour of sunrise. So this is so vast. I'm just waiting for 9:30 to be able to go and swim in the pool. They have spring pools, so that's why I choose this campground. I could have went somewhere else, but look. Friends going there.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's go. Restrooms, showers. Oh, here it is.
What's up?
Agua Caliente County Park. It's a beautiful place. It's at the middle of the desert. Has pool and spa. So, and it was a beautiful night. My friend cooked some Moroccan food. We enjoyed the food. And in the morning we went to the pools. And now we are going to explore a little bit the desert. So I'm trying to see where to go. There we go. This is the store. So probably we should have gone this way. Let me see. Let me see how we are going to go. So I'm not familiar with this. Probably not. No, probably not. Let's go. Yeah, I'm not. My phone is off. I didn't have no service. So, and I don't have gas either. Probably 50 miles of exploring. So we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. We were trying to head out to the desert to see the T-Rex of Anza State Park. But I think think it's too hot. My friend, he has to go back to LA, and me too, I have to go back to San Diego, and I don't have gas. I mean, for some reason I forgot yesterday to put the full tank. I didn't stop. I just rode 2 hours non-stop from San Diego all the way here. And yeah, we decided it's better to go to Julian to get some gas, and from there we can go to the lake. My friend, he wants like to do some fishing. Let's see. It's a beautiful day. Oh God, I really enjoyed the water at the middle of the desert. I love the desert. I love the mountain. I love the beach. 3 things that you have in California, and you don't have to drive for a long time. Probably 2 hours, 3 hours you are in the desert, 2 hours you are in the mountain, half hour you are in the beach. I couldn't dream about this